Hi, and welcome to Homework Hacks. In today's video we are introducing the world of fractions. Fractions might seem tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll know fun tricks, step-by-step methods, and real-life applications to tackle fraction problems with ease. Stick around for a game at the end, where you can solve a fun fraction challenge, and check the comments for the answer. First, let's understand what fractions are. A fraction represents a part of a whole. The numerator is the top number, showing how many parts you have, while the denominator is the bottom number, showing how many equal parts the whole is divided into. For example, if a pizza is sliced into 8 equal pieces and you eat 3, you've eaten 3/8 of the pizza. Fractions are everywhere. Think of measuring cups, music beats, or even sharing candy with friends. Now let's solve some problems to see how they work. Let's start with adding fractions with the same denominator. Imagine you have 1/4 of a chocolate bar, and your friend gives you another 2/4. How much chocolate do you have in total? Since the denominators are the same, simply add the numerators. 1 plus 2 equals 3, so you now have 3/4 of the chocolate bar. But what if the denominators are different? Let's solve 1/3 plus 1/6. Here's the trick. Find a common denominator. For 3 and 6, the least common denominator is 6. Convert 1/3 to 2/6, then add it to 1/6. That gives you 3/6, which simplifies to 1/2. Now, let's talk about multiplying fractions. Multiply the numerators and then the denominators. For example, 2/3 times 3/4 equals 6/12, which simplifies to 1/2. Multiplying fractions is useful for scaling recipes or calculating portions. Fractions are everywhere in real life. Imagine you're baking and need 1/2 cup of flour, but your measuring cup only shows 4ths. You'll use 2/4 cups to make 1/2 cup. Or think about sharing a pizza with friends. If 3 out of 8 slices are gone, how much is left? Subtract 3/8 from 8/8, leaving 5/8 of the pizza. Now for the game, draw a pizza and divide it into 6 slices. Color 2 slices red, 3 slices yellow, and leave 1 blank. Write the fractions for each color. What fraction is red? What fraction is yellow? Simplify your answers for extra practice. Check the comments for the correct answer and challenge yourself to create your own fraction puzzles. Before we wrap up, here are some quick tips. 1. Always simplify your answers to their smallest terms. 2. Use visuals like drawings, pie charts, or fraction strips to make solving problems easier. 3. Practice real-life scenarios to strengthen your skills. 4. Keep practicing. The more you work with fractions, the more confident you'll become. That's it for today's lesson on fraction problems and solutions. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more homework hacks. Let us know in the comments which fraction trick was your favorite. See you next time, and happy learning!